building kitchens the right way, my family and I are planning a home decoration and a renovation project to give our home a much-needed makeover. For myself, I want to have a fantastic and functional kitchen because I love to cook. My husband asked me what I think needs to be replaced, and I have the freedom to choose which room to leave as it is and focus on what will make the house look presentable. I have to let him know that the kitchen is my priority, and I want to look into choosing from several well-known kitchen designers to help me create the kitchen of my dreams. Today, construction goes through a constant evolution. We see a lot of newer trends from time to time. That is why it is now very easy for any homeowner to get help or get an idea on how to plan and build their kitchen. Most homeowners are also thinking of giving their homes an improved look that depicts their way of life. Most would want elegant designs yet functional and efficient. Kitchen designers of today are very innovative, and you would think by just looking at the designs that building one for your family would be very expensive, but the fact is they are very affordable. Technological advances have paved the way for cheaper production costs while producing fantastic materials that provide great appearance to any area of the home that you are looking to redecorate.